We're here today in Sutherland Road at the conclusion of what has been a hugely significant public realm scheme. The London Borough Waltham Forest has been working with Riney, Wavin, Meristem and Project Centre alongside local residents and local artists and businesses to bring together probably one of the most significant public realm schemes that the borough has delivered this year. The scheme includes what we believe to be the longest rain garden in a residential setting in the world, and we're very proud of that. It's using some really interesting new technologies that we hope to be able to talk about next summer, next spring, when the realisation of that new technology will become apparent, as well as planting 68 new trees. Now, this road has not had any street trees in it since, we believe, the First World War, so real transformational stuff. And round about 3,000 kind of plants and shrubs that are really going to help lift this area in the spring, be great for our pollinators and birds, great for our local residents that are living in this area, but also all contributing to making this street more climate resilient, particularly with regard to surface water flooding. But really grateful for all of our contractors, including Riney, for the great work that they've done to bring this scheme forward and to get it delivered.